Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this session, we will learn about CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management in SAP Business One. We will see about activities, sales opportunity and Microsoft integration. SAP Business One does not have a dedicated CRM module within itself, but there are a couple of functions that SAP Business One has given and they can be very well used for CRM purpose. Let us assume that our company's prime goal is to raise sales and customer satisfaction. The company has pre-sales document to record the sales pipeline and to follow on the customer activities. Sales team members use activities to manage their day-to-day responsibilities. In SAP Business One, as said, there is no separate dedicated CRM module, but maximum requirement to govern CRM in any business is done by three elements chiefly. They are sales opportunity, sales quotation, and activities. In this topic, we introduce three new documents: the activity, sales opportunity, and sales quotation. We will take a look at how each of these documents can be used to support the CRM. Let us start with activities. Though we have seen activities on sales order and how they work, but let us see the activities with CRM perspective. Activities allow you to schedule and manage diverse events such as phone calls, meetings, tasks, notes, or other interactions with customers. Basically, everything you do with a customer can be documented in any activity, even emails. Activities are used throughout the sales cycle to manage customer contact as well as for internal business purposes such as managing tasks, etc. Activities can not only report what you have done with a given contact but also what you plan to do. For example, you can record a phone call and set up a follow-up reminder to call again. You can create activities at many places within SAP Business One. There are transaction for activities in business partner menu, but they can also be created inside marketing documents, sales opportunities, and even business partner master data. Inside an activity, you can link it to other objects such as documents and attachments as well, free-form content such as email and messages. So all in all, activities can be of tasks, can be to call someone, can be a meeting reminder, can be noting down some tasks, or can be even extracurricular activities. Let us see about the calendar. You can click on the icon to open the calendar on the toolbar. You can have monthly, daily or weekly view. You also have option to schedule and display activities. One easy way to schedule activities such as meetings is to use calendar. Just click on the calendar icon in the toolbar. The calendar provides you with monthly, weekly and daily views. This is very useful. There is even a group view that can facilitate scheduling team meetings. The calendar allows you to display, schedule and update activities by date and users. Calendar activities. What you can do, you can just double click over the calendar and the activity will be open. To create activities directly in the calendar, click on the given date and time and SAP Business One takes you to the activity window where you can describe activities and link them to business partner and documents. Even if you create an activity elsewhere, all time based activities such as phone calls, meetings and others are automatically entered in the calendar. Business partner activities. Activities can also be created and managed inside the business partner master data from business partner master. You can open a list of related activities such as shown in the graphics or choose the option to create activities. When you create an activity from within the business partner master data record, the business partner information defaults into the activity. So you can see, you can also this button and you can just view related activities. Alerts for business partner activities. Alerts are an important tool for reminders and other things. That means that you will not miss anything that is important. When used An activity in Business Partner Master Data, SAP Business One has functionality that allows you to set an alert to be sent to the user for a specific type of activity, such as phone call, meeting, note, and other. You can also set a reminder and a time frame for when the alert should happen. The alerts for the activities are controlled by send alert for activities scheduled for today. Activities can be for a day, can run for a minute, can run at a specific time, or can be weekly. That all depends upon the settings that you want to give in. There are some recurring activities as well. Activities can be set to occur on a regular basis. Here we can see an activity that's set up for a weekly meeting. You can manage changes to the series or individual activities within a series. Each individual occurrence of activity can be moved or cancelled without affecting the series. Use back or next button to navigate to the individual occurrences of recurring activity. Now, sales opportunities. Activities are often linked to sales opportunities. A sales opportunity allows you to manage the sales cycle for opportunity within a customer lead. For example, a customer inquires about a certain product for your company that you are selling. You can respond immediately by creating a sales opportunity, allowing you to track the prospective sales and notify others about the status of the potential deal. As you meet with others and gather information, you can link any activity relevant to the opportunity. You can also view relevant activities such as list of planned activities linked to the opportunity. Understanding the sales opportunity. Here we will assume a couple of things. Selling to sales opportunities. Selling to sales opportunity is like looking at some rings on a ladder. So the three groups of buyers fall into a hierarchy representing the relationship level with you or your dealership. Your challenge is, as you move up stairway, is to accommodate your sales personality to each relationship. There is a level 1, that is A. On level 1 or first step are group 1 buyers who are shopping for a product. These buyers are the people who have a need for something. They may be aware of the product you have to offer but are not known by anyone in the store or in your company and are likely not to be familiar with your dealership. There is a second level of buyer, that is B category. Buyers on the level 2 are often referred to as orphan customers. They bought your product and are never seen again. These potential buyers mostly were never followed up by the salesperson who sold them. When there is no relationship, there is no reason to return for them. The third level is the C. These are the customer on the third level. They are the customer who have previously purchased your product. They may have purchased from you directly. However, these customers are not well known by the dealership or you because interaction has been minimal. They may even use your service department, but they are not committed to your dealership, left on their own. They may purchase at your dealership this time or somewhere else. So in all, there is no loyalty. Fourth category is the category D. These are the repeat customers on level 4. A repeat customer is someone who has purchased from you, just not your dealership but from you directly as a salesperson. So you become their first contact. In fact, they may have purchased more than once from you directly. So whenever they want to buy something, it is your name that they come in their mind. They will just come in and visit you and stay in touch with you. You can send them personalized notes. Repeated customers, they will like to see you. The fifth category is E category. A repeat customer can be called as gold, but a raving fan is platinum. A raving fan are top tier. Where a repeat customer is happy with you and your product, a raving fan is even referral friend. They refer your product to others also. Let us understand opportunity stages. Opportunity are structured into stages which reflect the stages of your cycle. On the graphics we see a sales cycle with 5 stages such as lead, first meeting, second meeting, quotation, and negotiations. This is just an example. Sales cycle and stages can be customized to match your company sales process. For each stage in the cycle, you can enter the potential amount of deal and system predicts the opportunity probability of success that is based on some percentage you have set up in advance. You can track information on what is being happen at each stage, and ultimately you can track whether you have won or lost the deal. Reporting is available for analysis opportunities and for optimizing your sales processes. Sales opportunity give you visibility into your sales pipeline for individual sales employee or company as a whole. So there is a first stage, that is 6% that we say lead, and $600 is the potential amount. Second stage is 20%, we call it as first meeting, and $2,000 is the potential amount. The third stage is 40%, and it is the second meeting with the prospect, and the potential amount increases to $4,000. The fourth stage is 60%, you send quotations, and the potential amount is now a big amount, that is $6,000. The fifth stage is negotiation, where you negotiate upon the terms, and the potential amount is $8,000, and there is 80%. Let us see what is lead, first meeting, second meeting, quotations, and how they imply. Lead. So the part A of lead is contract through trade fair. B is express interest. C is business partner made as lead. First meeting. It starts with analyzing the need and identity of the solutions that can be provided. Second is record more about your prospect. Second meeting, negotiation for prices and terms of the business. Quotations is created for the prospect in the quotation stage. Negotiation, sales negotiation, prospect made first purchase, lead is converted to a customer, that is in the negotiation. Sales opportunity process. Let us take a look at the sales opportunity process. You can use sales opportunity to record, track, and analyze every step in your business potentials with the customer or prospect. Step 1. Sales manager set up an information such as which stage a sale will pass through and the like buy of the percentage of the closing sale. This information will help in forecasting sales. The key to successful setup is to decide what you wish to monitor during the sales process. These will assist the manager in forecasting sales. Second step is salespeople enter sales quotation and manage them throughout the sales process. The more detail entered in an opportunity, the more visibility you have later when you report on the leads. Ongoing appointments, phone calls, tasks, and contact management can be coordinated through this step. The final step is the step 3. Reporting on sales opportunities gives you visibility into sales pipeline, won or lost opportunities, and sales forecasting. Sales stages can be adjusted later if needed in the setup transaction. All the sales forecast will be adjusted automatically. There are roles: sales manager, sales employee, and the combined role. Sales quotation. A sales quote allows a prospective buyer to see what cost would be involved for work they would like to have done. Many businesses provide services that cannot have an upfront price, as costs involved may vary. Before customers commit to ordering, they frequently want a sales quotation that they can review and circulate within their company. The sales quotation might come out of the sales opportunity or activity or arise independently. The sales quotation document is an offer or proposal that you can send to customer or to a lead, as used in SAP Business 1. It is not a legally binding document but rather used for information purposes only. One field that distinguishes a quotation from a sales order is valid until date. This date specifies how long the offer for the specified items and prices is available. The default period is 30 days after posting date. but it can be changed manually or by using different payment terms as well. When a customer accepts the proposal defined in the sales quotation, you can copy the quotation to a sales order to begin the sales process. Typically, this can be cracked into two parts. First is contracts and second is securities. Contracts, a formal statement of promise submitted usually in response to a request for a quotation by potential supplier to supply the good or services required by the buyer at the specified price and within a specified period. A quotation may also contain terms of sale and payment and warranties. Acceptance of quotation by the buyer constitutes an agreement binding on both parties. Then second part is security. The bid and the asked price cited for the sale or purchase of a commodity is security. Let us understand about MS Outlook integration add-on. SAP Business One CRM helps you and your marketing sales team and support processes and integrates them with finance and inventory activities. The resulting comprehensive view of your customers and prospect helps you to understand their needs and better meet them. The application helps you to create effective marketing campaigns. You can target your prospect and customer to identify highly qualified opportunities. You can increase revenue by managing your activities and opportunities through different stages in the sales cycle. As soon as the opportunity data is entered, the application gives you visibility into projected gross profit and revenue from a deal, so you can make a better business deal decisions. Post-sale, the solution helps you increase customer satisfaction by responding faster to service call, increase the efficiency of customer warranty and service contract administration and resolving problems. Rich analytic function supports improved decision making based on the timely accuracy. All these things we will see in SAP Business One once we finish this session. We will actually go into the application and we will see how mail integration works. So to carry on, we want to understand MS Outlook integration in depth. So you have the option of using Microsoft Outlook integration add-on for SAP Business One to keep track of your day-to-day work on sales opportunity, sales quotation and activities. Microsoft Outlook integration gives you access to sales data without having to be logged on continuously to SAP Business One. This is especially valuable for sales managers who travel frequently and need to be able to view prospect and customer data while on the road. For example, a sales manager needs to prepare for a meeting at the customer site. What kinds of things can you do with Microsoft Outlook integration? This is a good question that we can ask ourselves. We can take a look at the list first. That means imported context from SAP Business One, synchronize them with Microsoft Outlook, save email messages as attachments, and import tasks and calendar activities that are created within SAP Business One into Microsoft Outlook. You can edit, view and create sales quotation and save them to SAP. Most importantly, Microsoft Outlook integration helps you increase your productivity and simplify your work. So there is a data synchronization. A user can synchronize the following types of data in SAP Business One: calendar appointments, contacts, tasks. Then quotation. User can import quotation from SAP Business One into Microsoft Outlook and then display, edit and send them as emails. Email integration. That means you can save a Microsoft Outlook email as an activity within SAP Business One. You can save the original email text and original file attachments as an attachment to an activity in SAP Business One. Microsoft Outlook integration allows user to connect SAP Business One from Microsoft Word and save a Microsoft Word document as an activity within SAP Business One. In the next session, we will actually jump into the application and see all these things in details.